Hi, I'm Jake Howard.
My name is Jeremy Harris.
Sean Clifford.
Leo Ganley.
My name is Jake Blanchett.
My name is Rob with the tech support team over here at B2W.
We have a group of real human beings that actually care. They actually want to solve the problem, and they don't want to do it on a script. They actually want to have a conversation with the person and work through the issue.
I personally really like problem solving.
It's not just a matter of just deal with that later. It's no, this is get this done now and get this resolved.
Anything that the client is placing a lot of importance on, getting to resolve that is the best because you see how much the client appreciates it. And, oh my God, I've been struggling with this for 2 months. You just fixed it in 10 minutes or something.
We are very efficient and effective at answering our phones.
We always have someone on a 24/7 pager.
As soon as you send us an email, it's popping up in our queue, and we're reaching back out to you guys.
We have some of the most aggressive metric targets in the industry and are extremely proud to say that we hit them month over month.
One of the biggest ones is speed of answer, average hold time, how quickly we can even respond to our email cases.
We do try to answer any calls within 30 seconds, and our average is right around 15 seconds of an average speed of answer.
Our community portal has the option to submit cases directly from the website. You can manage your cases and kind of view the action log in terms of what support has done so far.
Some of the cases that I think we really excel at are some of the more difficult technical cases.
Our team has a lot of strength here in terms of product knowledge base.
And the great thing about the team is that we can always bounce ideas off of each other.
It is a collaborative group in tech support. Everyone's close, tight-knit.
I think that one thing that kind of shines for our team is that we don't use a script. We're very personable with the clients that call in, and people love that.
Sometimes people ask for some of my support reps specifically because we've just worked with them for such a long time.
Someone shoots an email or calls in or something and you're just, excited to hear from them. Just, hey, how have you been? What's new? Okay, yeah, let's tackle this issue and everything. But also, how are the kids? How's the wife and all that,
When I walk out on the floor and everyone's laughing out there, but that's when I know things are going well. They're having a good time with the customer throughout the troubleshooting process and helping them get to that solution in a really quick and efficient way.
When it's important to the client is what excites me the most. Yeah, absolutely.
Troubleshooting is what we all like to do. It's why they signed up for the job, and again, why I'm here myself is we like trying to figure out the problem.
I like being able to fix issues.
The best thing for me is helping people out.
There's a certain satisfaction that comes from solving a problem, and I think we all like that feeling.